If your Whirlpool Cabrio washer has been acting moody, freezing up, or spitting out those cryptic error codes, don't worry. Today, we're going to revive it back to calm, obedient laundry mode. It is easier than it sounds, and by the end of this video, you'll have your washer behaving like it just woke up from a spa nap. Let's begin with the simplest reset, the quick control panel refresh. Start by pressing the pause or cancel button. It's usually right on the front panel, waiting to be tapped like a doorbell. After that, choose any wash cycle you want. Normal, heavy duty, anything your finger feels like selecting. Once the cycle lights up, go ahead and hit start. This tiny sequence works like a soft reboot for the washer's brain. If the controls were frozen or acting sluggish, this often shakes the dust off and gets everything responsive again. But let's say your washer is still in a grumpy mood. No problem. That's when we go for the classic power cycle. Turn the washer off completely, then unplug it from the wall. Yes, physically unplug it. Once it's out, wait about 10 minutes. Think of this as giving the machine a long exhale so the internal components discharge any leftover electrical memory. After your little intermission, plug the washer back in and let it sit for about 30 seconds so it can wake itself up cleanly. Then run a quick empty wash cycle. This helps the Cabrio recalibrate its sensors and make sure everything resets smoothly behind the scenes. Now, if you're still dealing with error codes, strange sounds, or the dreaded no response moment, you may be facing an issue deeper than a reset can solve. At that point, checking your user manual or reaching out to Whirlpool support is the best next step. For most people, one of the resets we covered today does the trick and gets the washer running like new. So if your Cabrio has been acting rebellious, try these resets before calling in repairs. They're simple, they're free, and they can save you a whole lot of stress and maybe a few laundry day disasters. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this helped, feel free to drop a like or comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy washing.